Hi everyone, welcome to IT Talk. Today we are working with a dataset and continuing to format this data with macros. So the dataset has 500 rows, and we have already completed some formatting in the first two modules. In Module 1, we recorded a macro to format data, and in Module 2 we edited that macro to increase its functions. Now in Module 3, we will be actually writing a macro from scratch. In our Udemy course, we will go deeper into code, breaking down the meaning of each line and showing you how to use AI to perform the heavy lifting when it comes to coding. For more information, click the link in the description to get started and subscribe. Alright, cool. So here is the dataset as we know it today. As you can see, this column I, has all of the account managers in it. So the goal is that we want to separate these files by account managers. So the macro we write is going to loop through the rows and then enter a blank row, colored black. So again, we are writing this from scratch, so let's open up the Visual Basic Editor. Alt F11 to do that. So honestly, 15 years ago, we had to write this code completely from scratch. But now we have AI at our disposal, so now we just need to describe the code to ChatGPT and have it generate code. So I went over to ChatGPT and asked it to write this code. I asked it to write VBA code for a macro that will loop through the rows in my Excel spreadsheet and enter a blank black row whenever column I's value doesn't match the cell above it. Within a few moments, I had this macro. So again, writing from scratch means understanding code well enough to write it or be able to understand the code written by others. So yes, you can use AI to write code, but you do want to have a basic understanding of what is being executed. Sometimes you have to troubleshoot the code, and AI isn't always reliable for that. To delve deeper into the meaning of each line in the codes we share here, click the link in the description to learn more about our Udemy Masterclass courses. Let's flip back to the worksheet. Alright, let's start again from the top with the raw data set. We will execute the macro from Module 1 to expand the columns and then looper to separate by column I. And as you can see, we achieved our goals. Notice also that I have another macro here that I use to delete blank rows. It basically reverses the impacts of looper. It has a nice message box at the end. In the next module, we will explore using macros to run complex calculations on this data. Until next time, take care. Peace. If you have questions or have an idea you'd like us to explore, please drop a comment below. Be sure to click the bell and subscribe for notifications about our latest videos and tutorials.